Coffee drinks for winter to keep you warm. Coffee grog. 3 cups coffee. Half a cup heavy cream. 1 cup brown sugar. 2 TBS butter, softened. 1/4 tsp cloves, ground. 1/4 tsp nutmeg, ground. 1/4 tsp cinnamon, ground. Method. Blend butter, sugar, cloves, nutmeg and cinnamon in a small bowl. Mix coffee and cream together with the spice mixture. White chocolate coffee. 3 ounce white chocolate, chopped. 2 cups half and half. 2 cups hot coffee. Whipped cream. Method. Heat the milk and chocolate together in a saucepan until melted and smooth. Stir in coffee and serve with whipped cream on top. Maple coffee. 1 cup hot coffee. 1/4 cup maple syrup. 1 cup half and half. Whipped cream. Method. Heat the milk and syrup together in a saucepan, but do not let it boil. Stir in the coffee. Serve topped with whipped cream. Black Forest coffee. 4 cups hot brewed coffee. Half a cup chocolate syrup. 1/4 cup cherry juice. Whipped cream. Chocolate syrup. Cherries. Method. Combine hot coffee, chocolate syrup, and maraschino cherry juice, mix well. Pour into mugs. Top with whipped cream and a cherry, and drizzle with chocolate syrup. Coffee punch. 1½ cups coffee ice cream. 1 cup hot, strong coffee. 4 tablespoons frozen whipped topping, thawed. 4 pinches ground nutmeg. Method. Scoop the ice cream into a pan over low heat. Heat for a few minutes until warm. Pour into 4 mugs. Top each with 1 tablespoon whipped topping and sprinkle with nutmeg. Serve immediately.